再来看，今年是英国火车通车200周年，即卖呢全英国是有50多条路线的火车，伫个元旦中到12点的时阵做伙淡水犁来庆祝这项重要的工业发明。
小气火车头伫11号中庆祝阵阵白烟，这是英国南部霍斯泰凯因斯车站，嘛是福国路线兰陵火铁路的停靠站之一。由爱好者组成的历史铁道协会，今年主办大型活动铁道200，规年拢有活动，庆祝全世界头一条铁路通车200周年。元旦迄天中到12点，全球有50多条路线，超过200台小气火车，同齐起喇叭，为这个特别的一年展开序幕。
Well, it's very exciting. I mean, I've been involved in the Bouval Railway for over 20 years, which is quite a short time compared to some of our volunteers. And I've always been interested in railways. I mean, I can remember travelling behind steam railways as a child and as a young man. So yes, it's a very special time.
2025年对英国铁道迷来讲是意义重大一年。1825年，英格兰东北部城市斯塔克顿甲达林顿中的铁路正式通车，是全世界头一条使用烧气动力提供载客服务的现代铁路。
There's one guard on the East Coast Main Line. I'm not sure whether he's still there now, but he said, whenever I go around and check tickets, if there's kids, I will let them clip the tickets. Because that pleases the kids and the parents. And then if you get any problems on the way, the train is on your side.
虽然火车早就无够使用烧气动力，英国也是有一寡铁道迷伫全国保存各营运烧气火车。对于英国人来讲，火车的出现代表英国伫工业革命时期科技正进步的美好年代。以后的200年，火车是全世界上界重要的运输方式之一，彻底改变人类的生活。公司新闻由派准编译。